Videos. In today's video I'm going to tell you about Amazon program. Let me tell you just the Amazon affiliate marketing program. Now for example Amazon actually pays. Now somebody thinks that Amazon sellers can earn more than those affiliate marketer, but it is really dollars. Now it is equals to $25,000 is equal to 4,55,2622 rupees. If I open my Word document, Amazon affiliate marketing earning, just write $20K. And if I write Amazon sellers earning, that is equal to $2,500, or I write $2.5K. Let me highlight this and just put it way down here into the bold thing. This two in the bold thing. Now how big difference this is, $20K to $2.5K. This is the profit of Amazon affiliate marketing. How much do affiliate marketing earn was the main topic. That's what I told you. So the results we have got is that affiliate marketing is better.